निर्गुण निरञ्जन निराकार मन्त्रं निर्वाणमार्गं निर्वाणमार्गं निर्मल निश्चल निरवध्य ध्यानं निर्मल निश्चल निरवध्य ध्यानं निरुपम ध्यानं नित्यानन्दोऽहं निरुपम ध्यानं नित्यानन्दोऽहं निर्गुण निरञ्जन निराकार मन्त्रं निर्गुण निरञ्जन निराकार मन्त्रं निर्वाणमार्गं निर्वाणमार्गम्
देवदेवोत्तम दीन संरक्षक देवदेवोत्तम दीन संरक्षक देवदेवोत्तम दीन संरक्षक देवदेवोत्तम दीन संरक्षक देवादिदेवा नित्यानन्दा देवादिदेवा नित्यानन्दा देवादिदेवा नित्यानन्दा देवादिदेवा नित्यानन्दा श्री नित्यानन्द कृपामया श्री नित्यानन्द कृपामया श्री नित्यानन्द कृपामया श्री नित्यानन्द कृपामया.
What we do in ET is we get calls from people all over the world. We get prayer requests, we get requests for inner awakening. Most of the calls are people who are facing some obstacles and they want to get a breakthrough in inner awakening. We just provide an authentic listening, and in that, whatever are the obstacles, completion happens for them, and we find that they just find the solution. For example, in the Cambodia Inner Awakening, what we are finding is people are finding the money that they need miraculously, or they are getting the leave from their respective office. It's just happening miraculously and from some unexpected source. We provide our listening, and you find the solutions which were always there with you.
Nitya Yoga teacher training ended. The participants were thrilled and very excited about everything that they have learned throughout the training. They have seen different aspects of yoga. Of course, we had yoga classes, we had anatomy classes, we had Sanskrit classes. People at the beginning, they were wondering, why Sanskrit? Why would you learn Sanskrit for a yoga teacher training? Sanskrit is not an ordinary language. Based on sounds, it awakens the Kundalini. It's yoga for the brain, basically. It develops more and more intelligence. All the Yoga Sutras are in Sanskrit. So in order to understand the essence of the Yoga Sutras, it's interesting to speak the language.